Okay, so welcome back to another video. Guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'll be playing a random game. So, it's probably just May 31st, but it's July. So, for this series, I've been playing so many games in my lifetime. No, in my Roblox gaming career, that I didn't even show you most of it. And I still need to do a series. So, first of all, let's go to the series I'm mostly working on. This will be one video. I'll upload to another video called the Egg Grand Series Finale. This will be a premiere right away, so besides, like, subscribe, hit the bell in the next 4.5 seconds, or else someone will steal your valuable. Hope it's nothing as useful. Besides, who cares about if that happens? I mean, you could just buy it again, but if it's touchscreen, then you know the rule. Rule number 1: don't ask questions. No. 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 Besides, when is this coming up? I'll just choose this as my dealership. And first of all, I'll be showing you other things. Okay, there's a Bugatti Sentai going on for 12 days. It is 36's Robux. I don't want to say it, but I don't even know if that's real. But first of all, I may have discussed this before. I don't remember. I got this car. Yeah, before. There's new races in this game. I'll continue series. I'll do a roleplay video. I'll do the roleplay world video classic. It's classic this time. Besides, who really goes hard mode on someone when they are the laggiest person? That's not me. Was all I had. My parents abandoned us. Dear, I get it. You gotta trust me on that, okay? Now, what do you say I bring someone in here that can safely take that vest off you? Yeah, I know that's what you want. And then I will find the people that killed your brother. They didn't kill my brother. They sent him to heaven. It's just not true. My parents were devils. Persons who care about their own children. They left us for dead. Well, that doesn't mean that you have to die. If I wasn't holding this, I would be dead now. Tell me that is the truth. Okay, first of all, if you're in the background, your country has killed don't you can't deny it. Innocent don't get used to it, okay? I get it. Tell me. Let's do it. Tell me. Okay, I'm gonna start a street race. You start races. And okay. There's a new race called City Race. I always wanted a city race. Besides, that Tesla is like a good car. And it's high quality, so I'm gonna lose. High quality things that can handle it. Oh no. Besides, I'm so laggy, so they better accept it or else I'm gonna, you know. Yeah, I told you, high quality racers are going to win. Besides, that's not the video. I'll show you that there's nothing else in this type. Okay, where is egg, by the way? Egg. And you wanna know something? I cannot go onto my Henry again because due to inconvenience. There's some fake egg games. Besides, play those kind of fake games. I mean, did see me play a modded one, a big paintball. I think it was with wheels. Don't believe me, or else I will. Just gonna get used to this loading screen. Besides, I'll be showing you a part 2. Okay, I completed like this whole entire series. We'll play World Part 3 will be coming up soon, so it's coming up soon. It's a 10-minute video, I think. This loading counts as my time. I can only upload 15 minutes videos, but saw other things like that. And those are just like the insane parts. Besides, people actually, and there's others in this game. If you don't know what others are, then those are the online daters. I did know that way before, and not Roblox OG. I started playing in 2019. Besides, I didn't know Roblox was there in 2019. Besides, okay, is there anything else I can upload about? Okay, collecting collectibles. First of all, you can collect coins, of course. I reviewed it. Now, I'll show you some secrets. First of all, there's a secret portal that I did hear of. If you jump like that and go over here, you'll be right here. Teleported to the random place is on Earth. Plus, this is a secret. It's the first secret you can hear of in your egg starting it. And have you noticed, and if you haven't noticed this, have you noticed that there is 2 to 3 of this man's city? 3 houses in the city. One right here, one found in a house, and one found right at a temple. This is an egg person. It's just a statue. I don't believe in statues. Besides, there's something insane I have to see. First of all, if you have unlocked all these portals in Egg, then you would know what kind of secret I'm talking about. It's in here, of course. How come I can't jump towards it? Ugh. Can I? Yes, finally. Okay. Okay, I don't remember this happening, and I need to go to a portal. If you're wondering what type of portal, you have to go through the yellow portal. Yay. Okay, don't say that ever again. Okay, first of all, if you're nearly at the end of it, then you know what I'm talking about. If you're nearly at the end and it's at the winter area theme, then you know which type of secret that is. It's a mob, first of all. And if you don't know what type of secret was that and you're a new person to egg, I've reviewed my egg first month bag video. Feel that. There's secrets. So far, I showed you just like 2 secrets. Besides, you couldn't hear my audio because they were. Yeah, it's right down here. And then it says mob. I did experience this in 2019. I also experienced this about in 2019. It says mob. I don't even know if there's any other I have to talk about in this video.
What's DNA? Talon's kid was raised in isolation. He has no reference for any of this. Tell me now why I shouldn't take my thumb off this phone. Dear, just hear me out, okay? We got a problem. The cell phone is a dead man switch, and as soon as the battery runs down, the alarm goes off. You need some help down here. Okay, hold tight.
Okay, first of all, if you are hearing the background, like I said earlier, don't even annoy about the background. The background is useless. Besides, if you want to know what my face looks like, I'll show a face review once this video gets 5 likes. I'll show my egg face review. If you know what my face looks like, then you know what type I'm talking about. Besides, I'll show you my face if I get 5 subscribers.
Who's that? That is my partner. My friend. What are you doing? You may not understand what I've been telling you. This is something I need to talk to. Eric, are we good?
First of all, this is a secret. Your legs has been pulled out. My legs has been. And besides,
I'm David. I'm your biological father. And I'm your mother. Please let the men take that dress off you. Prove it. We're running a test now, but we do believe that you are. Believe? Believe what? That you are our son. How do you know? Because you have another brother. A twin. Or a triplet, I guess. Let me see it. Where is he? Why doesn't he talk to me? I don't want to do that. It's a lot for him to understand.
the TV turned off by itself. I don't even know.
Okay, go to the next one.
Okay.
It's confirmed.
Sorry about the inconvenience, but I probably showed you how to get all portals. I'll show that after this grand finale. But collectibles. That
Take that dress off of you, please. I'm begging you. I don't believe you. You say a test came back. How do I know that means anything?
okay.
We're running out of time.
2 subscribers will equal
Just once.
egg face review.
David? Rachel? Guys? Mr. Zahavi.
Okay, that's about it.